How to plan a bachelor party. The best man position at your friend's wedding has been chosen for you. You'll be in charge of carrying the wedding rings, making sure the groom gets to the chapel on time, and planning the bachelor party. Planning this party may sound hectic, but don't worry. As long as you go into the bachelor party with a clear vision in mind, everything will go down without a hitch. 1. Choose a date. Pick a party date that works for you, the groom, and the groomsmen. If at all possible, pick a day 2 weeks prior to the wedding. Picking a Friday or Saturday will make the bachelor party easier for anyone who works during the week. 2. Discuss the groom's desires with him. Make sure you have a firm understanding of the groom's preferred activities and party location. Recognize his preferred party atmosphere and his prospective spouse's preferences. 3. Make a budget. Everyone should contribute to the celebration, with the exception of the groom, but you, as the best man, will be in charge of scheduling and paying for a large portion of the event. 4. Pick the primary activities. Make a list of potential activities and then select the groom's preferred, more affordable ones. Try to steer clear of anything incredibly risky or potentially disastrous while intoxicated. 5. Establish a guest list. Include the groom's family, close friends, and coworkers, as well as all of the groomsmen. You should also invite the potential spouse's younger relatives. 6. Invite people. Invite people to the party. Make sure the invitations specify the location, the time, and a required RSVP to you. We wish you all the best and lots of fun. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.